And then he can become a free agent.
Right.
So
Put those in there. If you can see that, their little connection junction
Work out their own deal on their own, and that would be
for the wiring. And I made a door. So if the lighting blows out, hopefully I could just. The goal is to undo the wire, cut it wherever you need to cut it, put the new bulb in, rehook everything back up without too much trouble. And what you see there, right here, is the Y pipe that I made for the smoke generator. So the smoke comes out of up top here. And so these are for smoke that come out of the smokestacks. Everything works like it's supposed to. It's going to be one fine boat. Alright, and that's the look-see. Show you what I'm doing. And I solder the ends in. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye.